seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't.
Alright, so you're gonna try this, guys. Actually, I've tried it before and I love it. This is called Kinilaw, and it's made out of, we'll put one in front of the camera.
That's a fresh
herring sardines. And then how they prepare it, they skin it, get all the flaky stuff off on the outside.
Yeah.
Skin it, cut it, clean it, and then they put it in. I see red onion here. I see hot pepper, the red little red hot pepper. And then what else do I see in here? Vinegar. Ginger.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
That's it. It's easy.
That's it. It's a very easy recipe. Let's take that recipe again. Of course, the sardines or herring, red onion. Help me out here, hon. The red hot peppers, salt, pepper, vinegar, and there was one more thing. Ginger. And it tastes
good.
Delicious. I can eat a lot of it. Give it a taste. It's so good.
Set up.
And I will occasionally see an occasional head in here too. I try to avoid that. Okay.
And I said